This is the innovative hub of the Guangzhou Hong Kong Macau Greater Bay Area, where a pioneering enterprise is rising to protect the city with technology. Foshan Yangwei Robotics, based in Nanhai. Foshan, strategically located at the Golden Nile of the Guangzhou-Foshan integration, is just a 15-minute drive from Guangzhou Xia Station. With the Pearl River Delta as our core radiation circle, we provide rapid response services to customers nationwide through intelligent technology. The company is committed to effectively addressing the industry pain points of traditional high-altitude cleaning operations, such as high-risk, high-intensity, recruitment difficulties, and high labor costs, by adopting a robotic matrix operation method, significantly improving cleaning efficiency compared to manual labor. Breaking through industry constraints, our bionic wheel foot module can conquer a vertical drop of 20 centimeters. Whether it's flat curtain walls, complex structures with horizontal and vertical frames, or mixed walls made of stone, metal panels, or glass, Yangwei robots can handle them with ease. Leveraging our independently developed bionic fin vibration roller brush plus cavitation jet technology, total water consumption is only 50% of traditional Spider-Man cleaning, doubling water-saving efficiency. Standardized and regulated operations ensure cleaning quality far superior to manual labor. Equipped with the world's leading embodied large model, the robot can identify stain distribution in milliseconds and intelligently plan the optimal path, reducing energy consumption by 40% for the same level of cleanliness. The coaxial double-blade rotor design provides a positive pressure load capacity of 20 kilograms, remaining rock-steady even in gale force winds of level. The robot features safety functions such as speed limitation, overload detection, posture monitoring, wind speed monitoring, automatic obstacle crossing, automatic obstacle stopping, and emergency release, ensuring industrial-grade stability to protect every inch of the curtain wall. Technology guards the beauty of the skyline, and intelligence reshapes the future in cities. Foshan Yangwei Robotics makes every inch of the urban skyline shine with the light of technology.